Frozen, Olaf Gives Thanks. Written by Colin Hosten, illustrated by Olga Mosqueda. Olaf is thankful for all of his friends. He loves spending time with them, beginning to end. Olaf is thankful for his fun carrot nose. He loves it more than anyone knows. Olaf is thankful for trees and for flowers. He stops to sniff them for hours and hours. Olaf is thankful for ice and for snow. They're the reason his family is able to grow. Olaf is thankful for getting warm hugs. From new friends and old, they make him feel loved. Olaf is thankful for music so sweet. He sings and he dances on 2 snowball feet. Olaf is thankful for magic and laughter. His grand tales and stories bring smiles for hours after. Olaf is thankful for the cool summer breeze. It helps him keep cool under the palm trees. Olaf is thankful for the northern lights. They're pretty to look at on wintry nights. Olaf is thankful for big royal feasts. They bring people together from the west to the east. Olaf gives thanks for a great many things, especially the wonders that each day brings.